So let's see what is shale oil or shale gas. So normally we know this crude oil is found naturally in the seabed, but since the oil reserves are reducing or supposed to be depleted sometimes, researches keep going on, and we discovered one more way of discovering oil, which was shale oil, which is discovered from some rocky shale rocks. So this is something what shale oil looks like. It comes from a keratin substance which is found in the rocks, and it is formed by the accumulation of mud, silt, and organic waste. So mud, silt, and organic waste, which is deposited in millions of years below the ground, same like crude oil, but it is because it's gone much below, very deep in the earth. It becomes very hard in the form of rocks, and it's spread. So you see, this shale gas is somewhere in the rocks below, and we have to drill with this hydraulic fracturing, and then only we can extract the shale gas. So there are so many layers of the rocks, and there is something called permeability and porous. So if this rock is porous, gas goes in and can be trapped. But if this rock is permeable, the oil or liquid can flow. But shale rock is generally porous but not permeable. So gas is all trapped, and the liquid or gas cannot flow out. So lot of cracking, artificial cracking, fracturing has to be done for the gas to flow, and that's why it makes it very expensive. But they are rich in organic materials and usually mature petroleum source rocks. But they need very high heat to produce natural gas, but it is very cleaner even compared to LPG also. So these are sedimentary rocks that contain solid bituminous substances like keratin. And when this rock is heated by pyrolysis, a chemical process, then the keratin petroleum comes out in forms of liquid substances, which is called shale oil. Shale oil is formed by accumulation of muds held by millions of it due to heat and pressure for a long time. These biological substances turn into shale oil. At present, it costs 40 US dollars to make shale oil, and which is helping other countries. So shale oil is very expensive, and mm, it's nobody is willing to invest in that. USA and China have invested and started many places because their oil reserves are depleting, and they are the biggest consumers of oil. But India presently does not uh, invest so much because it's very expensive, and anyhow we have to import. But if you discover, there are lots and lots of reserves even in India and other places also. But presently it's not being going on in USA and China. A lot of extraction is going on.